Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll demystify WordPress themes and walk you through everything you need to know to choose the perfect theme for your website. What is a WordPress theme? Let's say you are starting a blog about your travel adventures. You might choose a theme with a clean layout, vibrant colors, and large images to showcase your photos from around the world. If you're launching an online store to sell your handmade crafts, you might opt for a theme with a minimalist design and easy navigation to highlight your products. A WordPress theme is like a style guide for your website, determining how it appears to visitors and how they interact with it. It's your site's first impression, so you want to make it count. Why do I need a theme in WordPress? Imagine you are building a house. You need a blueprint to guide the construction. A theme serves a similar purpose for your website. It provides the structure and design elements that make your site functional and visually appealing. A good theme will have templates and features specifically designed for these purposes, making setting up and managing your site much easier and faster. In a nutshell, you need a theme in WordPress because it's the foundation that brings your website to life. It ensures your site looks great, works smoothly, and delivers a fantastic user experience to your visitors. Can WordPress be used without a theme? The answer is no. The themes gives your site its appearance and structure, and without a theme, your site will be less appealing to visitors. How hard is it to install a WordPress theme? WordPress makes it easy to switch themes and customize the look of your site with just a few clicks. Here is how it works. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Appearance section and click Themes. Here you'll see a list of installed themes, including the active theme. To install a new theme, click on the Add New button at the top of the page. This will take you to the WordPress theme directory where you can browse thousands of free themes to find the perfect one for your site. Once you've found a theme you like, you can preview it to see how it will look on your site. If you're happy with it, click the Install button and WordPress will take care of the rest. It will download and install the theme for you, and then all you have to do is to activate it to make it live on your site. That's how easy installing a WordPress theme is. Feel free to experiment with different themes until you find the perfect one for your site. Do WordPress themes cost money? The good news is that free and paid options are available, so you can choose the one that best fits your budget and needs. The WordPress theme directory contains thousands of free themes created by developers worldwide. These themes are often a great starting point for beginners. They are free to use, but may have limited features and customization options compared to premium themes. If you want more advanced features, customization options, and dedicated support, consider investing in a premium theme. These themes typically come with a one-time or recurring fee but offer more flexibility and professional design options. When deciding between free and paid themes, consider your website needs, budget, and long-term goals. While free themes can be a great way to get started, a premium theme might be worth the investment if you're serious about growing your site and standing out. Should I pay for a WordPress theme? Whether you should pay for a WordPress theme depends on your budget, technical expertise, and the customization and support required. A premium theme might be worth considering if you're serious about building a professional website and are willing to invest in its success. Do you lose content when changing WordPress themes? The short answer is no, you don't lose your content, but there are a few things to remember. When you switch themes, your posts, pages, images, and other content remain intact. WordPress stores your content separately from your theme, so changing themes won't affect your existing content. However, some theme-specific settings, such as custom headers, menus, and widget placements, may not carry over to the new theme. You may need to reconfigure these settings manually after switching themes. Choosing a new theme compatible with your existing content and plugins is essential. Some themes may not support certain features or plugins which could affect how your site functions. Previewing the new themes to see how it will look with your existing content is good before making any changes. This can help you identify any potential compatibility issues before switching. While you will keep your content when changing your WordPress theme, it's essential to be mindful of theme-specific settings and compatibility to ensure a smooth transition. How do I know if my WordPress theme is good? With so many options available, choosing a theme that looks great, meets your needs, and performs well is essential. Here are some factors to consider. A good theme should have a clean and modern design that enhances your content and engages visitors. With more people browsing the web on smartphones and tablets, it's crucial that your theme looks good and functions well on all devices. A good theme should load quickly and efficiently for a smooth user experience. Look for themes with plenty of customization options. These options allow you to tweak the design, like changing colors, fonts, layouts, and other options. Check if the theme developer offers regular updates and dedicated support. This ensures that your theme remains compatible with the latest version of WordPress and that you have assistance if you encounter any issues. Considering these factors, you can determine if your WordPress theme is good and meets your needs and expectations. Can you switch between WordPress themes? The answer is yes. WordPress makes switching themes and experimenting with different designs easy without losing your content. You can switch themes as often as you like until you find the perfect one for your site. Should I delete unused WordPress themes? Again, the answer is yes. Deleting unused WordPress themes is a good practice for enhancing security, improving performance, and organizing your theme library. What happens if I delete a WordPress theme? Deleting a theme is a straightforward process, but it's essential to understand the implications. If you delete the active theme, WordPress will automatically switch to the other one. This ensures that your site remains functional even after deleting the active theme. If you delete an inactive theme, it will be permanently removed from your WordPress installation. This includes all theme files, settings, and customization options associated with that theme. Any customization you made to the theme, such as changes to colors, fonts, or layouts, will be lost when you delete the theme. It's essential to make note of any customization before deleting a theme so you can recreate them if necessary. Before deleting a theme, it's a good idea to ensure a site backup in case anything goes wrong during the deletion process. Most hosting providers offer automatic backups, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. When you delete a WordPress theme, be aware of the consequences and have a backup plan to ensure a smooth transition. And congratulations on making it through our journey into the world of WordPress themes. We've covered everything from understanding what a theme is to choosing the perfect one for your website, switching between themes, and even tidying up your theme library. Remember, your website's theme is like its signature style, So take the time to find one that looks great and suits your needs and goals. Whether you opt for a free theme or invest in a premium one, creating a site that reflects your unique personality and resonates with your audience is vital. Go ahead, dive in, and have fun building your dream website with WordPress themes. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. There are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.